Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create animated cartoon videos in Canva. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Canva is a great graphic design tool that has a lot of features, and we will be using it today to create our animated videos. You want to go to canva.com. Then create an account or just log in with your Google or Microsoft account. Once you log into Canva, we can start making our video. The very first step is to click on Create Design. Then you want to select the video format. This is very important because we are going to be uploading different animations and animated characters to our design, so make sure that the video is selected. Once you do that, you're going to see this interface right here with all of the tools that Canva offers. You can see our timeline down here, and we will be using it during the creation of our animated video. Let's start creating. Click on the elements on the left side of the screen, and you can search for a character or person or whatever you want for your video. You can see that we have different graphics, photos, videos, and audio files in the results, but we want to expand the graphics section in order to find our character or whatever you want, and you have a lot of different designs, which you can choose, and they are all free to use. So just select one and then drag it over your video. You can make it smaller or bigger, of course, and position it over your frame. The next step is to add the text to our video. Click on this, and then I'm going to write something. You can choose and play around with the color and the font of your text. Canva has a lot of different fonts from which you can make amazing designs. We will add an effect to our text and also choose the text animations. Make sure that the text is selected and then click on the animations button. We will see the animation settings on the left side of the screen, and you can click on different animations and select which one you like the most. You can also select the character and add an animation for it. Both the text and the character have the animation, and we can continue to the next part in creating our animated video. I can add another slide to my video, and then I'll write something like step 1, but you can make whatever you want with the second slide, and let's add different transitions between our slides. What you want to do is to click on this Add Transition button, and you will be presented with a couple of transitions on the left side of the screen. Choose the transition which you want, and it will be added automatically. They have a couple of cool transitions, and you can add them between every slide, and let's see what the first part of our video looks like. It's pretty cool, so let's continue with the next step we're going to be building. Our own animated character with different movements, expressions, looks, and so on. We will be using a site called Animaker, which is a great place to get started with creating animations and building animated characters, especially if you are making tutorial videos or YouTube videos. It's great if you are a beginner, and let's make our character. The first step is to create an account on Animaker and then log in this website. It's free to use, and you also have a paid version with some premium features. But the free version of this will do the job, and we can create great animations. So log into Animaker and then create a new video. Select the 16:9 format, since that is what we will use for this, and this is the interface that they have for creating animations on the left side of the screen. You're going to see different characters that they have and that you can use, so select the one you like. I'm going to select this girl in a suit, then position him and make him smaller or bigger, just like we did with Canva, and you can see two different sections. On the left side of the screen, we have the actions and expressions. Let's add the actions first. When you select any of the actions, it will show you a preview on how it looks like. You can make him wave, jump, cry, sleep, and many more actions. And if we go to the expressions tab, you can put a smiley face, a sad face, an angry face, make him or her surprise, and many more things. You can customize your character however you want with this, and you can even create your own custom character by clicking on this button at the top. It will open this window for you where you can choose if you want a female or male character. You can then choose the skin color, the hairstyle, the eyes, nose, chin, and everything that you can think of. You can really customize your character here. That's how we can create our characters with different animations, actions, and looks. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.